Think your S Pen is just for writing? You're missing out. These are 10 powerful and creative S Pen features on your Galaxy S26 Ultra, and I'll show you exactly how to use each one. Let's start with something that feels straight out of the future. If you see anything on your screen and want more info, you don't need to type. Just circle it. Press and hold the Home button, then use your finger or S Pen to circle any text, image, or product. Instantly, Google shows results based on what you selected. No typing or app switching needed. Now, let's turn your S Pen into a smart calculator. Open Samsung Notes and write any math problem using your S Pen. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right and enable Math Solver. Now write your equation and add an equal sign. Your phone will solve it instantly, and you can tap to view step-by-step details. Even if something isn't calculated, you can still circle it using the Home button and get detailed results from Google. If you take notes from videos, this feature is a game changer. Go to Settings, then Advanced Features, select S Pen and open Air Command. Make sure Show Air Command icon is turned on. Now open the video you want to watch. Tap the S Pen icon and select Create Note. Once the note opens, switch to split screen view so you can watch the video and write notes at the same time. You can also screen record the session for future revision. Now let's turn your S Pen into a real-time translator. First, open your settings and scroll down to Advanced Features. From there, tap on S Pen and go into Air Command. Now open Shortcuts and add the Translate option if it's not already there. Also, make sure the Air Command icon is turned on. Once that's set, just tap the Air Command icon anytime and select Translate. If needed, download your preferred language first. Then simply hover your S Pen over any text or select a portion of it, and it will instantly translate for you. Here's a feature that saves time when you're in a rush. Write a phone number or website using your S Pen, then switch to reading mode. Your handwritten text will automatically convert into clickable options. You'll see a call icon for numbers and a link icon for websites. Just tap to take action instantly. Got an idea when your phone is locked? You don't need to unlock it. Simply pull out your S Pen while the screen is off. A note will appear instantly. Write your note and tap the pin icon to save it. It will stay on your lock screen or always on display so you can quickly see it later. Not great at drawing? The S Pen can fix that. Open Samsung Notes and draw any shape. Then hold your S Pen on the screen for a second after drawing. If Auto Shape is enabled, it will convert your rough drawing into a clean, perfect shape. Need quick access to notes while using other apps? Open Samsung Notes and create a note. Then use the pop-out option to make it a floating window. Now your note stays on top of other apps like a sticky note. You can move it, resize it, and keep working without switching screens. Now let's talk about one of the most creative Studio. Tap the S Pen icon and open Creative Studio. Here you'll find options to generate stickers, wallpapers, cards, and more. For example, you can create a birthday card by drawing something or selecting an image from your gallery. Then tap Generate to create different versions. You can also add prompts for more styles. If you create stickers, you can save them to your keyboard and use them anytime. And finally, let's make sure you never lose your S Pen. Go to Settings, scroll down to Advanced Features, select S Pen, then go to More S Pen Settings. Turn on Warn if S Pen is left behind. Now your phone will alert you if you walk away without it. Thanks for being with us.